back to the channel, and I'm back with one more interview experience. And this time we'll try to understand everything about TCS Digital as well as TCS Ninja. And before that, if you don't know who I am, I'm Akshay. So currently I'm pursuing my BTech final year in computer science stream. And recently I got placed in Virtusa as a Java full stack developer. And coming to the channel, I will be uploading everything about the placement preparation and placement tips. And this is about me and my channel. And without wasting much time, I will come to the point. Hi Rohika, how are you?
Hello, Akshay. I'm great. How about you?
I'm doing great, Rohika. And Rohika, without wasting much time, I will be coming to the point. So, explain us everything about TCS Digital and TCS Ninja.
Okay. TCS Digital, as well as everyone know, it is like 7 LPA, and whereas Ninja, it is of 3 point something. It's not fixed. It may be fluctuating from 3.3, 3.6. Actually, we can go in any path. If you are well and good, you can try for the digital. If you are good, like if you score good, you'll be called for the interview. And then in that interview, based on the interview, like how well you are, based on that you'll be given a package, whether it will be digital or Ninja. Anyone you may get, or sometimes we may not get also. Don't worry about that. And it comes to the examination part, where I went through this TCS digital exam. Digital exam was very easy as compared to the Ninja. I went both. It was first, it went like as usual 3 sections, like MCQs as well as aptitude, verbal reasoning, and our coding MCQs. And along with we have 2 coding questions, which was very easy, so everyone can do it. As like even the first year students, like who have one coding language, if they know any one coding language, they can go through them very easily and they can clear that. It's not tough. Don't think as it is 7 LPA, it will be difficult. Don't keep that mind. And next, I got a call for an interview, where in that interview, I was asked with data structures. In my resume, there's no data structures, but they went through that. In data structures, they asked me coding. The first thing was like the first question, they asked me, do you know data structures? Yes, I said, I have. As I'm from CSC background, I said, everyone must know that. So I said, yes, I know.
Yeah, it's a default question.
That they asked, in that they asked me for the write a code for double linked deletion, entire code they asked me. Whereas I was very panicked because as everyone know, data structures was very difficult. Concepts was easy, but if it comes to coding, it's very hard. I was very panicked and I was full tensed. But I did not code, but I explained entire code entire in my words, like what is the concept and how it was worked. Everything I went to that. And later, they said, okay, it's okay, no problem. You know the concept, that's fine, they said. And the next question I asked me about SQL. SQL was, in SQL, they asked me to write a query to take the largest second digit number in an array, in a table, in a table, the second largest number. Whereas I have coded, but it's not perfect, I think. So I'm very doubted, but I did it. Up to my extent, I did. It was fine. And then they asked me some few basic questions on C concepts and Python concepts. In my resume, I mentioned Python also. And that was went well. Simple basic questions, our introduction and every like theoretical questions they asked. It went very good. And as in my interview, there was a panelist. There were 3 panelists were there. The first one, this is technical, and then I went with the marginal. In the marginal, as everyone know, they asked me like, if you are in a if you got offer in TCS and you have also got offer in Wipro and other Accenture companies, then what would you do and how would you like which company you are going to choose? Like that question, simple general questions they ask. And this was the marginal, and it was of 3 to 4 questions, I think. And then later, in addition to that, like the first, what I said in prayer, like the first question is like, are you going to share any data to any other employees if they ask? Absolutely don't say yes. Even though they are TCS employees, we should not share the data, because that is the company norms. So we should not share with anyone. So just be, and they asked me about TCS, like why TCS? What do you know about TCS? And they asked me. And finally they asked me any questions to me, and I asked her like, how was your experience? Just interaction is, as I think interaction will be good.
Yeah.
So you must ask questions, just don't say no.
Mhm.
So I'll ask generally the the thing I will ask is like, how about your experience in the company?
Yeah.
And later, how was my interview? Like any improvements like that I will ask. And they said, you are saying, they replied me like this question. Whether you know or you don't know the answer, whatever you know, you are thinking correct and you're saying, you're straightforward. That is very good. You maintain well, and your communications is also good, like that they said. But I don't know up to what extent.
Okay.
And then it was ended. That was my interview.
Got it, Rohika, got it. And what is the time taken to get the result? Even for assessment, this TR and HR?
For assessment to interview, it's been 10 days.
10 days, okay. Off campus.
It is digital, it's entire, many people were there. It looks a lot of time.
So coming to this TR results?
TR results was like, it was also a week, not a week, just 4 days.
4 days. And HR?
No, everything, no HR round. That is the one and only
both in one. Yeah, both in one. Got it. It was 4 days, right?
It was 4 days. And no. Actually, I was the one the last interview was happened to me. Like the date was very last, so it was 4 days. My friends has in prior, so
got it.
Depends on the interview date.
Got it. So coming to the role and responsibility, any talk on that?
Yes. The role and responsibilities is system engineer, as everyone knows in TCS. And as in TCS, they will be allotted in one domain. If at the training period, they will train you on that. If you are not okay with that, and then you can keep a letter to that, you want to change the domain, we have an option to that in TCS. So it is good. And it is of 3.6 package. 3.6
package and 1 year bond, right?
Yeah, 1 year bond.
Got it, Rika, got it. So additional to that, guys, even I have got selected in TCS Ninja. So in TR, I was facing a question that which one is better, to work smarter or to work harder? So don't say any one among them, okay? You just say two. So I will be working based upon the situation. So in some situation, we'll be making use of these both two. And the response from the panel members was, yes, this was the answer what I expecting to you. So don't say any answer. I have practice of working smarter. Don't say like that. You just say two, and based upon the situation, I will be choosing these two. You just try to answer in that manner, okay? And guys, additional to that, they will be asking a question based upon the scenario. Okay, you will be seeing a scenario. In order to make the explanation easier, you just try to imagine yourself in that situation. Okay, when you imagine yourself in that situation, the explanation become easier. So this was the small update from our side. And yeah, Rohika, we are done with the interview. Last but not the least, any suggestions to audience?
Yes, I have one suggestion. As every BTech student want to know, like they'll having fear about the interview, don't panic about it, and they want to know how the interview will be. Just don't panic. Just I'll brief how you must prepare for the interview as per my knowledge and what I followed is like. Just be thorough with the one coding language. As you are from CSE background, just go through with these data structures and some other core subjects like operating systems and very few. But the mandatory is like any one coding language and data structures. Many companies is stressed on data structures. So just know the concepts, no need of coding.
Okay.
And communication is the most important thing. Just speak very clearly, though it's correct or not. What I did in my interview, just do that. So that will be helpful for you. That's it. And don't panic. It's very easy.
Got it, Rohika, got it. So we are done with our interview. And I would like to thank you for making time and joining us actually, and giving your tips to our audience. And I believe that our audience will make use of your tips and implement in their preparation in upcoming year. And see a positive impact in that. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's interview experience. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share the button, and hit the like button. And if you have any kind of questions, you can comment it down, and surely I will be answering them. And if you want to contact me, you can make use of my mail ID and Instagram. So surely I will be answering your questions. And Rohika, thank you once again for joining us.
Thank you, Akshay, and hope everyone will be subscribing this channel. As I as I placed in TCS, I'm not stopping this channel to see. I will watch each and every video because I want to know new things. As now, Akshay said, like hard worker or smart worker. Till now, I don't know how to answer that question. I got a very good answer. So yeah, from every interview, at least you will learn one question. Just whenever you're free, just go through them, and you'll learn a lot, and it will be very helpful at the time of interviews. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for your inputs. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.